We are about to stay in Chessington Safari Hotel.
The Chessington Safari Hotel is obviously safari themed, isn't it, Baz?
Yeah, it's got quite a lot of giraffe theming.
Once you make it through the front door and the heat curtain simulating the temperature of Africa, it's giraffes all the way down. You'll see giraffe prints everywhere,
That's me
giraffe
sitting in a chair.
statues. Oh, are you sitting in a chair there?
Yeah.
Cool. So, yeah, we're going to take you through the hotel. The Azteca Hotel's next door, and you can flow between the two, which is a nice thing. You've got restaurants in both, and you also get a little bit of early access, don't you, Baz?
Yeah.
One of the big features. Did you really enjoy going on some of those rides early?
Yeah.
So, if you have a look at our other vlogs, you'll actually be able to see us going on the rides early. Now, the lifts. What kind of animal is there in the lifts?
Monkey.
And another giraffe. Now, you really liked pressing the buttons to get the keys out, right?
Yeah.
Which has a different animal on it. Do you remember what it was?
Is that zebra?
Yeah, zebra-themed keys. But we will now take you on something special. Where are we going to take them, Baz? What are we going to do?
Into our room.
Here's our room tour. Right, let's do a little tour of our room. Room 101 at the Chessington Safari Hotel. I'm going to knock on the door. Hopefully there's someone to let us in.
Hello, welcome.
Oh, hi Coaster Boy. RollerBaz.
Yeah.
So let's let that door shut and we will have a little look at the room. Take us on a tour.
So, we have got some work of art up there.
Lovely African inspired work of art, yeah.
And there as well.
And there as well, yeah.
And we've got a cushiony mirror.
Oh, it's very cushiony.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's real cushioniness.
Yeah. And we've got a giant TV.
I can't imagine there's going to be much time for that. What's this thing here for, Baz?
I don't know.
Is it a chair? It doesn't look like a chair.
No.
It's for putting your suitcase on so you can open it up. Oh, and it's next to...
The fridge.
Yeah, you get a lovely mini fridge. Quality. Got a second cushiony mirror.
Second one, mate.
I mean, if you want your mirror soft around the edge, this is the place to come.
Yeah. And this is the phone.
But more importantly, vital for people who like charging things to making vlogs, you've got a double USB port charger, which is great. Plenty of plugs, plenty of plugs.
This is a lovely seat, cushiony seat.
Lovely cushiony seat.
Table.
And this is a family room with a 1MR view.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm saying that wrong, aren't I? I'm going to need to look up what that's called. But, yeah, what's nice about your bed?
My bed is themed and...
Oh, there's the kind of animal we can get behind.
Yeah.
But wait a minute, you're the only kid staying in here. Do I get the Freddo?
Let me just check something. What?
Double Freddo.
Double Freddo. Oh my god.
So is it you on the bottom bunk and me on the top?
I'm on the top, obviously.
Well, where do I have to sleep?
There.
Oh, I'm going to stay here. Okay, cool.
Yeah, come on.
Coaster Mum going to stay there as well. And is there a nice bathroom?
Yes, right here. There is a bathroom with two glasses over here.
Always good for washing your mouth out after you brushed your teeth.
Yeah. Lovely shower.
Oh, I'm just looking at these smelly items actually. The nice soap and shower gel.
Oh yeah, and got some towels here.
Nothing says luxury like double toilet roll holder.
Double toilet roll.
continuing the African-inspired art. And yeah, you've got extra towels. A basically full-size bath, which is nice in a hotel.
And this moves.
Yeah, nice glass shower screen and a good shower head. So, yeah, are you impressed so far about this room?
Super impressed.
Well, there's one more thing to show, isn't there? Yeah. I'm just going to pause for a second, guys, and then I'll show you. We've also got a lovely range of refreshments. We got tea, we got coffee, and something that Baz wants.
Hot chocolate.
Midnight feast.
Midnight feast. This is the Wanyama view.
So yeah, it's a view out over the reserve part of Chessington World of Adventures. And as you can see, there are ostriches outside our room. Having a good graze on the grass there, because ostriches do eat grass. And yeah, if you pay a tiny bit extra, you can be looking at this instead of the car park, and I think it's totally worth it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a great hotel, and we're going to be showing you a bit more of the hotel right now. Those great views aren't just from your room, you get to see them from throughout the hotel, especially the little viewing areas on each floor above the reception. But what did we want to do, Baz?
We wanted to go out and see the animals.
And you can do that. There's a little bit of extra time just for the hotel guests when you get to explore and see some of the areas the animals live in and see the animals out on the savannah outside. I hope it's not too breezy this evening, but one of the real advantages of the Chessington, well, is that you can see a wild animal pooing, but one of the real advantages of staying at Chessington Safari Hotel is this, the Wanyama Reserve exclusive after park access from the hotels. We can see zebras.
Yeah. Yeah.
Pretty special, isn't it, Baz?
Yeah, it's only for hotel guests only.
And do you have a name for these pointy animals?
Well, let me give you a little name. John, Steve, and Bob.
John, Steve and Bob, the pointy horn animals. We'll actually go and check because there's all the information down here for everyone to learn a bit. We can do some learning.
Do some learning on the way on.
Is there one of those? Is there one?
Yeah. I don't
see a giraffe. Ostrich. I saw some of those earlier. You've seen them on the room tour. Is that an ostrich behind the... No, it's a duck. Or goose. It's a goose. Zebra. Scimitar horned oryx. I think that might be the guy there. Scimitar horned oryxes. Yeah, it's really nice. As much as we're having a bit of a giggle, it's really breezy. Yeah, the sun is going down on our night in the Chessington Safari Hotel.
Big drop.
We're getting to hang out with these guys after hours too. You get into the Wanyama Reserve bit after they close.
Yeah.
You get to come and have a look around. Lots of little animals.
They all live in each other. Aww.
I could do a nice rub down like that after a tough day in the theme park.
Me too.
Meerkat viewing tunnel entrance. I mean, those are 4 words that all across the English-speaking world are magical. What words have you just read, Baz?
Meerkat viewing tunnel entrance.
What did I tell you? What did I tell you, viewers? Magical words.
Oh my gosh, get in there. That's the exit, this is the entrance. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, watch out.
The one problem is the meerkats have gone to bed, so there are no meerkats to view.
No. I'm determined. Oh.
What's it like up here? I feel like a meerkat,
Me too.
but I can't see a meerkat. They've gone to bed. Just nipped indoors, I'm afraid.
He's going to bed.
I think he's off to bed.
Oh, fair enough.
Oh, it's a little dick. Has anyone ever seen such a little dick? They're so cute. You can just...
Yes, I have.
Sorry about my reflection.
Oh, it's beautiful.
It's so pretty.
Apples.
I've seen a little
Having a
dick.
dinner, I don't think you can see it, viewers, because of the terrible reflection on the camera, unfortunately. But yeah, they're tiny. They're not much bigger than chickens. Can you see the Sitter-Ungers? They are sitting over there, looking at machinery. I think they're famous for loving diggers, right? Is that right? I don't know. Baz has kind of abandoned me at this point. They're not Sitter-Ungering down anymore.
That's the most active at dawn and night.
Oh, they're nocturnal animals.
Oh, good reading there. Looks like he's going to bed.
I think we should do the same, or at least go and check on our reservation at the Azteca Temple restaurant. That's not copyright music, is it? That's not allowed. It's your own tune, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All these animals exclusively when it's not busy, when there's not people in front of the glass. Got our squirrel monkeys here. I think they're off for dinner.
Oh, it's upside down.
Oh, cute.
Oh.
It's a baby dangler.
Two babies.
Baby dangler. Oh, look, the daddy's back. Oh my gosh.
Now, food, the most important thing. So there's two restaurants. There is the African themed restaurant in the actual Safari Hotel, which we didn't visit. But which hotel restaurant did we eat in, Baz?
Temple restaurant.
That's the restaurant for the Azteca Hotel. And there's an amazing fountain in the middle, isn't there?
Yeah, meaty buffet for dinner.
Yeah, basically a carvery, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lots of nice sides, delicious food, and pudding was quite good, wasn't it?
Yeah. Churros and ice cream.
Our top tips for that restaurant in the evening are, it does close about 9, so if you try and get down there by the latest about 7:45, there'll be a nice long period where like you've got time to take your time, enjoy dinner with the ambience of all the guests around you. Good morning from the Chessington Safari Hotel, and the view from our window this morning. The main animal you can see is a duck, but if you do look up into the distance, just beyond the trees, I'll zoom in briefly, you can see a zebra. And if we zoom out, I think you might also be able to see, oh, an elephant. Good morning, elephant. Do you like visiting here at the Safari Hotel?
Yeah, it's my home. I'm just visiting Baz because I heard that there was a new roomie over here.
Oh, hi Baz. You're here too. So, have you enjoyed your stay in the Chessington Hotel?
Yeah.
It's a good hotel, isn't it? We're going to go and check out the breakfast in a minute, right?
Yeah.
So, do you appreciate the facilities, Mr. Elephant?
Yeah, I recommend them.
Okay, and is this the kind of very much like where you grew up?
Yeah, it's very much like where I grew up.
And do you ever use the rides?
No, I'm not tall enough.
Oh, even for the little leaves rides?
I can go on Elmo's flying elephant.
Oh, is that your favourite?
Yeah, that's my favourite.
Okay, well, me and Baz, we're going to nip off to breakfast, aren't we, Baz?
Yeah.
So, yeah, we'll see you later.
See ya.
Now, breakfast was delicious. I obviously had your full English.
Yeah, a little. Yeah.
It's a bit big for you, right?
Yeah.
So, what did you go for?
I went for 3 muffins and I went for some fruit and some Cocoa Pops.
Yep, delicious range of Baz-style breakfast foods. So you can't really go wrong with that. Breakfast is included in your stay. The buffet the night before was about £16 each for the adults, I think, and a bit less for Baz.
We are in the Temple restaurant for some breakfast. I just ate a chocolate muffin. I still got some of the blueberry muffin here. And I got 3 pan au chocolat, little ones. And I've got fruity section over here. And some Cocoa Pops over here.
Would you call that a gigantic breakfast, Baz?
Yeah.
Well, you're in a hotel, I suppose you're allowed to try it all out. And is the muffin good? Thumbs up? Great. I've gone for your more traditional full English. And they've got, they did have beans as well, I just don't do the beans. Oh, and here comes Claire with a coffee.
Good morning.
I need a coffee before I start the day. The Azteca Hotel has 2 other interesting facilities, one of which is the arcade, right, Baz?
Yeah.
You had a lot of fun in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can collect tickets, and we weren't quite sure where you went to change them for prizes, but the games were pretty good anyway, right?
Yeah.
And then the other facility it has is the most exciting of all, the Azteca Gate. It's an exclusive gate that in the morning you can go through to get into Chessington World Adventures ahead of the regular guests. And there was lots of friendly staff everywhere we went. The restaurant, the hotel, on the desk. And you even got a little lanyard for free, didn't you?
Yeah.
What was it? It wasn't giraffe themed. It was like a zebra style, right?
Yeah.
And if you ask nicely, you might get a hotel exclusive pop badge with your meal of an evening. Our stay now in the Chessington Safari Hotel. We've had a great sleep, we've had a great night, we've had a great breakfast, we've had a good dinner. And yeah, I've enjoyed it. Have you enjoyed it, Baz?
Yeah.
Have you enjoyed it, Elephant?
Yeah.
So, let's get out there, let's get back riding at Chessington World of Adventures, which is going to be our next vlog on
RollerBaz and
Coaster Dad. Thanks, Elephant. See you next time, guys.